Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'm investment advisor and I work with extremely rich people. So I sell assets from their private collections like gemstones, antiquities or real estate. Today I'm in the park and I want to tell you one aspect that is very common for the majority of extremely rich people, and if you follow these instructions you will succeed. And so, how to become extremely rich? You should control everything and trust people at the same time. It is maybe strange for somebody because when you trust people, you shouldn't control them. So if you trust, it means that this is no need to control them. But in reality, I would say you about my approach. So when I meet somebody and start communicating with a person without trust, I would never do anything. So without my feeling of trust, I would not start describing different projects and be involved in the communication with this person. So if I understand that something is not great, that I can't trust this person, I would not continue talking with him. Of course, the level of trust is different. So for one people, I can be more trustful than for others. But it happens because when I start talking with them, I become seeing something. So his or her actions, behavior, way of thinking, and during our conversation, I can come to the conclusion that maybe it is not so dangerous to have some projects, but I don't think that I can trust him fully. But then, even if I trust, I always control. Of course, everybody can make a mistake, and this is one of first reason why you should control everything. And during my working experience, when I communicated with the most rich people of our country, I saw the same approach to the way how they behave, and actually they control everything. If they see that something is fraud, at the first step they would not communicate at all. But then when something is normal and it looks great, they don't trust fully. So they, even if they trust, they control. And of course it can sounds strange for people from not elite class, but in reality everybody can lie, and everybody can make something that is not great for your own future. And so your money, your opportunities are a resource, and without controlling everything, you would not be able to save it, to keep in your hands. And so this is one of the most important thing that is common in the world of big money and extremely powerful people. So even if they trust somebody like manager or company, even in this they always control everything. So it is the only approach that will help you to avoid problems in the future. And again, maybe nobody wants to lie you, but such situations are very not so common in reality. It is like not so big chances. Even if nobody lies you, a person can make a mistake, and only controlling everything you can mention this mistake. And so if you want to become rich, powerful, you should always control people around and all projects that are in your life. Without this, people will lie you, and you should understand that all people behave differently with different people. So I had the experience when a person acted with one person awful, so he lied him, and his client didn't understand this. But with me, it is impossible, because I always share my approach to life, that and I always tell that, okay, but I will think firstly and show documents to my personal lawyer, for example. And this complex of my phrases show a person that it is better not to lie to me, because I will understand. And so if you control everything, it is bigger. You are likely not to be lied. So again, everybody acts with different people differently. Somebody, he or she can cannot tell the truth, because he or she can see where this person this client is stupid and something like that. And so you should not be infantile. You should always surround yourself by people, professionals from different professions, from different spheres. So they shouldn't know each other, because when they know each other, or for example, when a person tell you, oh, of course, everything is okay, I will give you my own lawyer, and the deal is related to that person. So in this case, the lie can be, these two people can lie you. And so you should always control everything. Otherwise, you will lose yourself, your money, you will become bankrupt. And this is one essential thing that is quite common for rich people. Not to work with those who they don't trust at all, and to control everything when they start working with somebody who can be like good professional and maybe not a liar, but also all rich people understand that this is people, they can lie. And you should think firstly about yourself, and not to have situations, not to be in situations when somebody can tell you lie, because big money sometimes motivate good kind person to behave awful. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.